You ever notice sometimes one of your flashers is flashing quicker than the others? What that is your Honda telling you, hey bucko, one of your lights are out on your turn signals. You need to replace that. And let me tell you, as a Honda guy, the last thing you want to be is accused of driving around not using your turn signals like some sort of BMW owner. Not cool. We're going to try to find out which one it is, and the easiest way to do that is turn on your emergency flashes first. That gets them all flashing. And now we'll take a quick walk around the car and see which one isn't flashing. Accounted for. Accounted for. We know it's on the right side. Nothing flashing here. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. That's the one that's not flashing. So let's make a quick trip to the parts store. Most parts stores actually have like a catalog you can go through that'll list what your car is and where the turn signal markers are. You want to kind of pay attention to that because sometimes these bulbs have two filaments rather than a single filament. Anyway, we have our correct one. Comes in a handy 2-pack just in case you drop one. And let's do a quick change. Most times these are just push and twist. You can see it's keyed, so it only goes in one way. All right, we've got our turn signal in. Let's plug it back in the car. And have a spare. Guess what? It's still not working. I've got some other problem. Well, back to the drawing board.